fast-paced world, the ability to deliver effective presentations is a cornerstone of professional success, whether in business meetings, academic settings, conferences, or public speaking engagements. Presentation skills encompass not just what you say, but how you say it, your delivery, body language, and engagement with the audience. Structuring presentations, on the other hand, involves organizing content logically to ensure clarity, flow, and impact. Together, these elements transform complex ideas into compelling narratives that inform, persuade, or inspire. This lecture will explore the key components of presentation skills, the principles of structuring content, and practical techniques to elevate your presentations from ordinary to outstanding. By mastering these, you will build confidence, captivate audiences, and achieve your communication goals more effectively. Presentation skills are an essential component of effective communication in academic, professional, and public settings. Whether one is delivering a classroom lecture, presenting a research project, proposing a business idea, or briefing a team, the ability to convey information clearly and confidently plays a crucial role in achieving the desired impact. Presentation skills involve much more than speaking in front of an audience. They require the integration of planning, organization, delivery techniques, audience awareness, and visual support. A good presentation reflects the speaker's clarity of thought, understanding of the topic, and awareness of the audience's needs. Let's talk about the foundations of effective presentation skills. The foundations of effective presentation skills begin with the strong understanding of purpose. Every presentation is created for a specific reason: informing, persuading, explaining, motivating, or entertaining an audience. A presenter who is clear about the purpose is better able to select appropriate content, tone, and structure. Without a clear purpose, presentations often become unfocused, overloaded with random details, or disconnected from the audience's needs. Purpose guides every other element of the presentation, from the opening remarks to the final conclusion, ensuring that the message remains meaningful and intentional. Another essential foundation is audience awareness. An effective presenter never prepares in isolation. Instead, they keep the audience in mind throughout the planning process. Audience awareness involves understanding who the listeners are, what they already know, what they expect, and how they might respond to the message. Presenters must consider their audience's age, their background, educational level, cultural context, and reasons for attending your presentation. For example, a scientific presentation for experts will differ greatly from one prepared for a general audience. Adjusting language, examples, pace, and level of complexity allows the presenter to connect more meaningfully with the listeners, making the presentation more accessible and impactful. A third foundational component is content mastery. Confidence and clarity in presentation stem largely from the presenter's depth of knowledge. When presenters thoroughly understand their topic, they speak more naturally, respond confidently to questions, and maintain a logical flow during delivery of the presentation. Content mastery also prevents over reliance on notes or slides prepared by the presenter, which often disrupts eye contact and weakens engagement. To achieve mastery, presenters must research thoroughly, organize key ideas clearly, and anticipate possible questions or objections. An audience is far more likely to trust and engage with the speaker who demonstrates authority and familiarity with the subject. Effective presentations also rely on clear organization, which acts as the backbone of the message. A well organized presentation is easier for the audience to follow and easier for the presenter to deliver. Organization involves structuring the presentation into an introduction, body, and conclusion, and ensuring that each section flows logically to the next section. Within the body, points should be arranged in a coherent pattern, either chronological, thematic, cause and effect, or problem solution. Clear transitions and signposting phrases guide the audience through the ideas. Without strong organization, even the most interesting content may seem confusing or overwhelming for the audience. Another foundational element is verbal communication clarity. Presenters must express ideas in simple, precise language that the audience can easily understand. This involves choosing appropriate vocabulary, avoiding overly long sentences, and speaking at controlled pace. Clear articulation, proper pronunciation, and strategic pauses make the delivery smoother and more professional. Tone, pitch, and emphasis help the presenter highlight important points and maintain audience attention. Verbal clarity also includes avoiding fillers, which can distract from the message or signal nervousness of the presenter. Nonverbal communication is equally crucial and forms another cornerstone of effective presentation skills. Body language, posture, gestures, facial expressions, and eye contact often communicates more powerfully than words. Confident posture, natural gestures, and consistent eye contact help establish rapport and reinforce credibility of the one who is presenting. Facial expressions must match the message, showing enthusiasm, seriousness, or empathy as needed. Nonverbal cues can either enhance or contradict verbal messages. For instance, a presenter who claims to be confident but avoids eye contact may appear unsure. Mastering nonverbal communication increases audience trust and engagement with the presenter. A further foundational skill is control of presentation anxiety. Almost all presenters experience nervousness, but effective presenters learn to manage it. Preparation and practice build confidence and reduce anxiety. Breathing techniques, mental rehearsal, and positive self-talk can help maintain composure. Presenters should also view nervousness as a natural response that can energize rather than hinder their performance. Overcoming anxiety allows the speaker to focus more on the message and the audience rather than internal tension. Finally, effective presentation skills are built on practice and continuous improvement. Skilled presenters are not born, they develop through repeated practice, self evaluation, and feedback from others. Practicing aloud, recording the presentation, and rehearsing with an audience can reveal weaknesses in pacing, clarity, or body language. Seeking constructive feedback allows presenters to refine their delivery over time. This commitment to improvement ensures that presentation skills grow stronger with each experience. So that's all for today. We will continue our discussion in the next section. Thank you.